The chaos of Songkran in Bangkok. Songkran might look like the world's wildest water fight, but beneath the chaos, there's a high-level strategy for soaking your opponent and a deeply meaningful Thai New Year celebration about renewal and respect. Okay, first, there are different levels of approach to this water fight, and every person goes to battle a different way. You've got defenseless warriors, those that want to keep it simple, enjoy the moment, stay nimble in case, say, they want to grab for a beer, or light a smoke. Then there's the squirt gun pros. This is a majority of the participants. Different shapes and sizes. This guy, high pressure, low mercy. This approach can also be beer friendly if you play your cards right. Then the hose crews, stationed on sidewalks like fire marshals of fun. The bucket snipers, usually found near the water source on the street or in the back of a truck. They play dirty with ice water and velocity. And your multi-approach player, the Swiss Army knife. And the final boss, water trucks. You think you're safe on the sidewalk, and then bam, monsoon mode. Even the most seasoned fighters can handle the force. Respect, boys and girls, respect. And that force, it's enough to penetrate your protective phone case and click that subscribe button. Or you could just use your thumb. But Songkran isn't just about getting drenched. It's Thai New Year. Based on the solar calendar, it starts every April 13th and lasts for 3 days. Okay, so I need to finally make sense of Thailand's calendar. It's been something I've been wanting to do for years. It's called the Thai solar calendar. Basically, their calendar started at 0 with the death of Buddha in 543 BC. However, they still use the Gregorian calendar for days and months, which makes it a lot easier. So in our current year of 2025, at 543, and it's 2568 BE, which is Buddhist era in Thailand. You tend to see these dates in formal documents, but then oftentimes on Google while you're in Thailand searching something. As far as why Songkran falls on April 13th, I've heard it's more complicated than the Turkish tax system, so you shouldn't even try. If anyone wants to help explain, please leave a comment below. Traditionally, people visit temples, pour water over Buddha statues, sprinkle water on the hands of monks and elders to show respect. It's all about washing away bad luck and starting fresh. So yes, you can launch water at people, at strangers all day. But don't be surprised if you see someone gently pouring water on a Buddha statue with the care of somebody watering a bonsai tree. Now here's something that most guidebooks don't tell you. Songkran is the most dangerous time to be on a motorbike in Thailand. Road fatalities spike every year, like to the highest levels in the world. I still took 3 motorbike rides. I know. But a very wise Canadian man at the corner bar told me, you'll be fine, eh? So I went for it. Now, I've heard multiple times that there are unwritten rules about not splashing motorbike or tuk-tuk drivers. Some people did not read the unwritten rules. If you must ride though, do play it safe. Avoid chaos-heavy streets like Sukhumvit Soi 22 and Soi 4. Stick to the main roads where the water fights are less intense. My safety gear, hope, and bad decisions. So yeah, Songkran is more than just Bangkok's giant splash zone. It's strategy, it's spirituality, and it's a little risky if you're on 2 wheels. But if you're visiting Thailand soon, check out my other videos on Bangkok. Below in the description is also a link to my personally curated Google Maps in Bangkok. I've been compiling this for years. It includes my favorite restaurants, coolest design places in the city, and a few comments about each. Happy Songkran.